I'm Ed from Parkland RV. I want to stress the importance of taking care of the maintenance on your RV. If you buy new or used, the maintenance has to be done. These people just bought this unit, paid a pretty good price for it, didn't know what they were looking for, and we have a lot of water damage. The leak apparently started here at the roof, went down the sidewall. We have to put a new roof on it, rebuild the sidewall, and install a brand new floor in it. This is a very extensive job. It's nothing we can't handle, but they didn't know what to look for when they bought a used camper, and they kind of got a pretty good bill coming at them right now. It'll be like brand new whenever we're done, but maintenance must be done continuously on your RV. Every 90 days, check the sealant. Check all sealant, all seals, all the way around it, or this could be you.
Thanks, Ed.
Thank you.